Hey, hi everyone, this is Admin from Admin 365, and in this video, we'll talk about how we can hide a user from a global address list. So let's get started. So there can be many reasons why you want to hide a user from the GAL. Few of them is basically if the user has left the organization and you don't want users within your organization to still send emails to them. You can simply hide their mailboxes from the global address list. And the other reasons could be when you are performing a migration, you don't want the users to see the mailbox which are not migrated and not active, so that they don't send email to that particular mailbox. So we'll see how we can set it up in Office 365, and we'll also talk about how to change it for a user if you have local AD. So let's get started. So we'll talk about the Office 365 first. So if you are an admin, a global admin, or at least an Exchange admin, you simply have to go to admin.microsoft.com, sign in with your account, and under Admin Center you have to click on Exchange so that it opens the Exchange Admin Center. And under here, recipients and mailboxes, you will see the list of all the mailboxes which you have in your organization. This can be active or inactive. It will still show up here if it has a license assigned to the account. So for example, if I wish to hide this particular mailbox from the GAL so that the user does not see and send emails, I simply have to click on this, and here I have the option hide from global address list, which is also called GAL. So I will click on manage hide from GAL and simply turn the toggle on. It basically states, as you can see, hide selected mailboxes from the GAL. It basically means that it will hide the particular mailbox from GAL. And what is GAL? GAL is basically a list which contains all the objects slash user slash group which can receive emails. So when we turn it on and save it, soon after a couple of hours, the user will be disappeared from the global address list. A global address list you can access from your Outlook on the web or Outlook desktop application. So what I mean is, if I type here ABC, as now I can see both the ABCs, and this is the one which we turn on the hide mode. This should not show up in the suggestion when I type ABC. So soon this will be gone, so that the user, if they want to send out email, they will send to this ABC and will avoid sending any email to ABC1. This is the end user experience, what they see currently, and after the changes has propagated, they will not see that particular option in the suggestion. So this is how you can set the hide from GAL for the user which is created in Office 365. If you have a hybrid environment where you have the user created on the local Active Directory and you sync it through Azure AD Connect or Entra Connect, then you will not be able to manage the setting from the Exchange Admin Center. You will have to manage it from the local AD itself. There is an attribute which is MS Exchange hide from address list, which you will have to set to true. So for each user you wish to hide from the local address list, you can run this command set-ad user followed by the user SAM account name -add and include the value $true in this particular attribute. You can test it for one user, run a sync and check the behavior for you, and then run it for the other users. If you have multiple users on the Exchange Online which you want to set this for, you can run this command set-mailbox, the user's email address hidden from address list enabled $true. This will set the same value which we did on the GUI, and you can run this in an Exchange Online PowerShell. You will have to open a PowerShell as an administrator, connect to Exchange Online using the PowerShell, and then run this command. You can test it for one user, check in the GUI whether the changes has replicated, and you can follow the same for the other users as well in the same manner. So this is how we can set the hidden from address list enabled in cloud environment as well as the hybrid environment. Do let me know if you have any question regarding this. You can drop it in the comment section, and you have a nice day.